Hello friends, welcome to Genius Books. I am Vinod Kadkor, IAS Monk. Let me continue with this test series of SBI PO preliminary exam, quantitative aptitude, numerical ability section. From this section, we are solving approximation problems. Okay, so in the exam, you will be having 100 questions. Out of 100, 30 will be from English, 35 from reasoning, and 35 from quantitative aptitude. Each question you will get hardly 34 seconds. So in 34 seconds you have to solve each problem. You can solve by practice, you can do that. You watch my videos, keep practicing, and speed will come on its own. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel, make your friends also subscribe to this channel. If you are interested more, you can download my app Genius Books, Genius Book Classes, all exam. This is my app's name. Available freely in Google Store. Please download it. There you will get some free study material as well as coaching also. You can register for higher level coaching also. Fine, then now we'll look into this problem. This is problem number 12, test series number 4. I have asked you in my previous video to solve this problem. I don't know how many of you have solved. Let me solve this for you now. Okay, approximation, you can neglect this point 009, so you can retain this 420 divided by again 0.998. You cannot neglect because it is equal to 1. So add this one to 13. It will become 14. Since it is division, you can write in the denominator. Then plus this 0.997 you cannot neglect because it is nearing to 1. So this is equal to 1. Add this one to this. So it will be plus 12. Okay, then what is there? Minus 0.0023. You can neglect this. So 7. Straight away you can solve first. Then apply board mass. Here division is there. First do this. Very simple. 14 3s are 42. So this will be 30. 12 minus 17. So 30 minus 12 plus 12 is 42, minus 17 will be 25. 25 is the answer. Very simple. Nothing. Okay. What happened to my... Okay. 13 over, no? Not over. 12 over, next 13. Okay. Again start with approximation. Here 41% means denominator will get 100. Half is into 801 minus 150. 0.17 you can neglect, so it is 150. This is equal question mark minus 57% of 910. Fine. Now how to do this? You can multiply this and how much you are getting here now. See here 1 2 you can decimal points, you can make it as 1, then this you can make it as 8. So this will be 41 into 8. This 0.01 I can neglect. So 41 into 8 is what? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 8 4s are 1, 8 1s are 8 4s are 32. It is 328 minus 150. because come to this side. Question mark, let it be. Okay. 1, 2, again 1, 2, you can do like this, minus 57 into 9.10. Okay. Now how much will be this? 328 is there. 300 minus 150 is 150 plus 28. 178. Understand? You have to do this subtraction addition horizontally. No need of writing one below the other and then taking each digit and doing the sum. It will take more time. So you have to do horizontal operations. It will save your time, like how I did here. First, what I did, we take out round figure from this. 300s are there minus 150. So it is exactly half. So you are getting 150, but this you have not included in the previous step. So add this to. So it will be 178. That's all. Then coming back to this, this is LHS. What about RHS? Then straight away multiply this. 0.1 is negligible, but hold on. First you multiply 57 with 9. 9 7 how much? 63. Okay. 6 you are carrying. 9 5 is 45. Plus 6 is 51. Now be careful here. 0.1, according to our approximation method, this is negligible. Okay, but here you have to multiply this 0.1 with 57. This multiplication is there. That is why you are not supposed to ignore, even though it is 0.1, because you are multiplying with 57, it will become 5.7. So 5.7 is a big number compared to 0.1. So then you have to add it. So otherwise, if it is plus minus, then you can neglect. Since it is multiplication, you are not supposed to neglect that 0.1. Okay? Please bear this in your mind. Be careful whenever you come across multiplication with such decimal small numbers. 0.1. You see this number. You are multiplying 0.1 with 57. So you are getting 5.7. 5 is a big number compared to 0.1. So you have to consider that. You are not supposed to neglect this. Be careful. Okay. This will become 518.7. See, 0.7 is almost equal to 1. So add this 1 to, it will become 519. Okay, what is this 519? This entire thing is 519 minus question mark 178. So 519. Okay, let me clearly. I will get confused otherwise, right? So now my entire equation will become LHS is 178, RHS is question mark minus whatever you have calculated this 519. So question mark I want. So send this minus 519 to LHS. So it will become plus 519. Add this, how much you are getting? 100 plus 500, 600. 600. 78 plus 19. 78 plus 10 is 88. Plus 9 is 97. So this will become 697. See, this is the answer. Be careful here. Suppose, let us verify. Suppose if I ignore this 9.1, this 0.1 if I ignore, what will happen? Just see. 57 into, I'm not taking this since it is 9.10. This 0.1 is not nearer to 1, so I am neglecting it. Then what will happen? Just straight away 9 7 is 63, 6 you are carrying, 9 5 is 45 plus 60, 513. So see this 513 and 519. almost 6 is the difference. So my answer will become minus 6, my answer will become 691. That is also there. It's not there, but 691 is nearer to 693. So you might mark this answer, then you will go wrong because 697 is also given. So this is the correct answer here. That is why you are not supposed to neglect this 0.1 when you multiply that with some other larger number. 0.1 into 57 will give you 5.7. This is almost equal to 6. Understood? This is the difference. It's very, very minute difference. You have to take care of such things. Okay? Fine then. Let us move on to next. I don't know where my, okay, talking is over. Fine. Where is my 14th problem? Something is happening to my system. Yeah, I am getting it here. Okay, fine. 14th one is, again, start with approximation. 1235.09 is there, then plus is there. Okay, you can neglect that. So you can write it as 1235 plus 0.99 is there. So this is almost equal to 1. Add this 1 to this. It will become 4533 minus question mark plus again 0.991 is there. It is almost equal to 1. So add this 1 to this. It will become 1280. Because this 0.001 is negligible, so you can retain this 4000 as it is. Simple straight away addition. Question mark, I want this, so send this to RHS, it will become plus. So question mark will be, I am sending this to that side. This I am bringing this side. So all these things remain as it is. 1235 plus 4533 plus 1280. I am bringing this 4000 to the other side, so it will become minus 4000. So straight away you have to add and calculate, that's all. Very simple. 1235 plus 4, you add, take thousands, hundreds and tens together so that it will become fast. 1000, 4000 and 1000. 6000 are there. 6000 are there. This we can subtract later. 200, 500, 700 plus 200, 900. So 900. This is 1000th place, this is 100th place, 100th place, okay. Now take 10th place, 30, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 8, 140. So 14 tens are there, 1 will go to this, then this will become 10, then 14 are there, no, so this will become 4, 110 I am giving to this, then finally 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, this will go to this one, it will become 7048 minus 4000. This will be, see, 7000 minus 4000 will be 3000. Then 048. That's all. Answer will be 3048. Very simple, straightforward question is this. Okay. Next, move on to th problem. I am encountering some technical issues here. Okay, let it be. I don't want to waste time. Okay, this yeah. Okay, now it has come. I don't know what is the problem. Okay, now in this test 4, this is the last problem. We'll solve this and move on to next test. Okay, this is what, this is also very simple. This is half, let it be, into 1 divided by 17.01. You can neglect that 0.01 into 289 into question mark 0.001. You can neglect, it is 4 into 2. This also 0.01 also, you can neglect that also. Now simplify this. 17 is there, 289 is there. What is that? Square root of 289 is what? 17. So you can 1 by 2, let it be. 17 is up, 289. Then question mark. Then 8. So you want this question mark, no? So retain it at LHS only. This equals 8 as it is. This 2 will go up. That means, and before you watch my next video, fine now. Okay, then this is about very simple. Nothing. Okay, I'll end this test 4 here only. Test 5 is coming up next. So I'll close this test here only. Video, subscribe to my app. You will get more and more information. You will get more advanced coaching. You can become more successful. Okay, then thank you very much. See you in my next video.